Hi, I'm Anna at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Focal Zone Firming Eye Kit. Depuff, firm, and brighten eyes with this iconic eye duo, featuring full sizes of our best-selling eye treatments plus a cooling eye wand. The perfect pairing to rejuvenate and re-energize eyes, reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines with Phyto-Active eye serum and Hydra-Bright eye cream. Powered by vitamin C to protect the eye area from aging free radical and blue light damage, plus brightening vegan lactic acid, firming plant stem cells, and soothing cucumber extract. After applying your moisturizer, lightly tap your eye treatment around the eye area until absorbed. Perfect to apply solo, but also designed to work together for boosted benefits. Simply layer the eye serum first, followed by the eye cream. Use the cooling eye wand to give yourself a gentle depuffing eye massage and work the product in. Both eye treatments can be used up to twice daily. I love this set because I have sensitive eyes and I'm concerned with aging. It firms without irritation, and the cooling wand lends a soothing touch.